our final step. We're gonna upload this to YouTube. Go through to my YouTube channel. Over here, upload video. I'm gonna be making a lot more YouTube tutorials, so please make sure you subscribe if you're inclined. All right, movies, easy to find. Halloween, double tap, and up it goes. Exclamation point. Now a tag or two. Halloween. Tap, enter. Creativity. Digital. Story. It's also a new form of literacy. Gives you the idea. This makes it easier for people to find your stuff. Go to publish. And once the processing is done, we can go to the video, and then we're gonna go to edit, because there's no sound on it now, don't forget. Edit video, down here. Now we're gonna go to audio. And I'm gonna look for tracks. Scary. Give it a listen. You know what, you can go through all these, find whatever you like, save the changes, and now that's gonna be ready to go. You're up and running, you're all done. You can now be a superstar or teach other people to be superstars. It's really quite addictive once you get started. You can create so much with Keynote. Sharing more stuff out all the time. Please subscribe. Alrighty, that's that. Thank you very much.